Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And the other day I was doing some blends and I thought, how cool would it be to use it for a text? And there's several ways you can do it. I've already got it blend and I've got a video out there to show how to make this. And if we go to Effects, Blend, and open up the Blend Docker, and then we go right here to New Path and we put on the path, and then go blend along full path, you get that. And there's a lot of things you could do with this. One, like on the A, it looks like it's actually like a piece of pipe and got some shadowing because of the blend I used. So let's back up here and let's make this blend a little bit smaller. And it'll give it a totally different look. Let me zoom in here a little bit. It'll make our line not quite as thick. Blend along full path, put it there, blend along full path. So now you got a total different look. And you could go thicker or thinner or whatever you wanted. You could change the colors. Let's make it quite a bit bigger than it was originally. Go to new path. Now it's going to fill up the whole thing. Whoop. So click on your whole blend, new path, blend along full path, and that might be pretty cool printed on a t-shirt, and especially if you use 3 or more colors like I did in previous videos. It almost looks like pipe work. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.